Hello everyone, here we are again for another session of Seller's Choice Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add a call to action in your blog on HubSpot. A call to action, or CTA, is a prompt on a website that tells the user to take some specified action. A call to action is typically written as a command such as sign up or buy now, and generally takes the form of a button or hyperlink. You don't want your visitor to just opt out easily. We want them to at least take advantage of our offers and services, or at least acquire their contact information. The call to action is a key element on a web page, acting as a signpost that lets the user know what to do next. Without a clear CTA, the user may not know the next steps to take to purchase a product or sign up for a newsletter, and is likely to leave that site without accomplishing their task. So let us walk you through how to add a call to action button or hyperlink on your blog here in HubSpot. So let's get started. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Before you proceed, if you haven't created a call to action button yet, you need to do it first. Check our previous tutorial for the steps. What we need to do is to access the blog editor. Click the marketing tab located on the top and hover your mouse to website on the drop down and select blog. You should see all the blogs that you have created on your website. If you haven't created one, you can start by clicking the Create Blog Post button. You can also edit your existing blog by just hovering your mouse to it and click the Edit button that will appear. This is a blog editor. This is where you can freely edit or make changes to your blog. Click the Post Body area to edit the body of your blog post. Go and click the portion on where you'll be adding your call to action. For this example, I want to add my CTA on the last part so that the reader would read my whole article first and then grab the freebie afterward. Click the Insert Call to Action button in the toolbox. That's the second button to the left. Look for the call to action button that you wanted to add and select it. You can filter the results by campaign or type. You can also use the search box if you know the keyword. Once you've selected the CTA, click the Insert button at the bottom. When you click the CTA, you can adjust the justification, and you can also see the link on where the visitor will be directed. Once you're done, click the Update or Publish button on the top right. If there is a prompt, click the orange button on that window to update or publish the blog. It should then take you to the blog performance with the link of the blog page. Click the link and you should see that your call to action is already in there. You can click the CTA and it should take you to the link and where you set it up. So that, ladies and gents, are the steps in how to add a call to action on your blog on HubSpot. Just so you know that we have a lot of tutorials and webinars on bits of advice on how to run and the applicable techniques for your e-commerce business. You can always visit our site at sellerschoice.agency and browse through our huge compilations of webinars, tutorials, and blogs. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned. See you soon!